Hey, Forrest. What are you doing in there? Hey, buddy. Hi. Look, Roxanne's in there, too. Hi, Roxanne. Oh, she wants to come out and stretch. Big stretch. Is that right? Forrest. What are you doing, buddy? You threw the block. Oh, you've got your hammer now, too. How do you use your hammer? How do you use your hammer, buddy? Oh, is that how you use your hammer?